Hello and welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today's recipe is stuffed msemmen with chicken. The quantity is very small, so this is an economical msemmen recipe. We will need between half a cup and a quarter cup of oil. I have 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I will add just a little bit of salt. One tablespoon of vinegar. And baking powder, about 7 to 8 grams depending on what you have. Now I will mix these ingredients together to form the dough. Then we add the water. Start adding water gradually from the tap. Continue until you get a dough that is soft but not sticky. It should not stick to the hands. Let me show you the texture of the dough. As you see, it is soft and does not stick to the hands. Divide the dough into 3 balls and grease the surface with oil. Use a little oil on the board. Now divide it into 3 dough balls. Grease the surface of the balls with a little oil. Cover them and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the filling starting with half a red pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and saute it. Once sautéed, remove it from the pan. In another pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter and 125 grams of chicken kefta. This is minced chicken. Saute the chicken with the butter. Add a little salt. Then add a quarter teaspoon of paprika, black pepper, and cumin. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, which is enough. Rake the chicken slightly so it becomes finer. Add half a teaspoon of harissa. Then add the sautéed red pepper. Add a little cheese. If you do not have cheese, you can add a little bechamel sauce. About a quarter liter of milk can be used. Mix everything well and the filling is ready. After 15 minutes, grease the work surface with oil. Then stretch the dough well. Brush it with butter. Use layering butter. Fold it into this shape. Brush again with butter. Fold it again. Adjust the dough shape. Stretch it slightly wider. Brush again with butter, which helps the layers stay separate. This butter does not melt quickly. You can also mix it with regular butter. Fold it again into this shape. Place it aside and continue with the rest. Take the first msemmen and stretch it gently. Do not stretch it too much. Just slightly. Cut the thin edges. Cut the dough in half. Then cut each half again. Take 1 spoon of filling. Adjust the quantity as you prefer. Do not add too much. Press gently without flattening. Then place it on the baking tray. Tuck the sides inside. Like this. Continue the same way until all are finished. Then return to the tray. Beat 1 egg with a few drops of vinegar or soy sauce. Brush the surface of the msemmen. Shape them like croissants. Form them carefully. Use leftover dough to make small rolled shapes. This prevents wasting the dough. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees. When placing them inside, reduce the temperature to 180. Turn off the top heat and keep only the bottom heat. Bake until cooked. Here is the final result of the msemmen. Decorate with a little cheese and parsley. The leftover dough can also be opened. Fill it with the remaining chicken filling. This recipe turns out very delicious. Try it this way and you will enjoy it. If you liked the recipe, please like and subscribe. Activate the notification bell for new recipes.